Humphrey, Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favorite adventure bear.
Are you playing hot potato? Oh, wait a minute. Humphrey, is that one of your famous swirled honey delights? Could you teach us how to make them? Oh, let's give some baking a go. It looks like Humphrey can't wait to bake. He's looking at those ingredients. Okay, preheat the oven. Add flour. Honey, yummo! Wait, you need honey for this part, Humphrey. Crack that egg. Mix, mix, mix. Roll the dough. Place onto your baking tray. Now comes the honey glaze. And into the oven. Let that cook for, say, 22 minutes. Time to tidy up. Wowzers! You really are a magical bear, aren't you? And done. So clean you could eat off of it. Yum. Looking and smelling good.